What a surprise. I think I messed that up.
I think it was still, you're getting good at the editing bit, right?
Oh, yeah, that's right. Was it still going, was it?
I think it might have been. You might have a couple interesting minutes and we just
As
lied.
you do. I am getting good. Okay. Although the other day someone did say, because I spent all day, our balance last week, and I tried to upload it all in one go so it would be a nice big long one, and then it took like 5.5 hours and crashed halfway through, and so I went, right, that's it. So I split them into 15-minute little bits, and someone said, you tease,
I saw
you
that
can't,
one actually, yeah.
You can't do that. It's like, I didn't mean to. Yeah. Okay, just something else to add into the mix. Andro and Kay. Yeah, I don't know if you know the shenanigans I've been having trying to get supplements. It's sort of like just about every day suppliers are out of all sorts of things, so it's been very interesting.
Yeah, and Queensland's closed its borders to most things except for travel, but I imagine that's still got to have an impact on all the truckies.
Yeah, so it's Integra's in Sydney. I did an order early last week and it still hasn't arrived. I'm sure it will arrive at some stage, but everyone's just working their tushes off trying to make things happen.
Yeah.
There's very luck of the draw at the moment.
Oh, I can imagine.
What's in? Oh, yeah. Yeah, there's it's got in here liquid bovine tracheal extract, which is as it sounds, just delightful, but it's for connective tissue structure. So when we're trying to regenerate something, I'm sure the stem enhance would do the job when it needs that healing, but interesting, it tested up as being one of the possibilities. Here is a specific strain that is linked in with PID called Peptostreptococcus. So let's ask the body if it's the one testing up. I know that one's not on my list, Peptostreptococcus. And hold. Okay. Hello, little fella. Okay, because we've done staph and strep both before. Interesting. Streptococcus. Hold. I think that one must be hidden in mucus or plaque with the tissues. It's not showing up individually, except that we needed to pick up the immune system for it. Okay. Okay. So until I get things to you, I'll put a few things in the mail this afternoon. I'll send you a message. But we need to really up your immune boosting again, because it's doing really well. Your immune system it's like all over most of it. So I'm not sure whether it's because of the Peptostreptococcus or whether or not we're just on a roll with your immune system's doing so strong at the moment. Or maybe it's because there's something narky up where you live, but I'm sure that's not it. So anyway, initially, until you get these next things, 98 Alive, really hoe into that, really hoe into the Psyactive, and then we're going to be swapping those over when you run out of them to Immunogenics and Andro-NK. I'll get one of each of those in the post this afternoon. Using up the Carmex and G-Tox, but pop it down. Your body's doing quite well alkalizing wise, so instead of 4 scoops, pop it down to say 2 to 3 scoops a day and alternating those. And then when you run out of Carmex and G-Tox, we'll move over to Femex and Painex. So just sort of still more magnesium, but just different combinations for different purposes, and keep up the alternating daily between the Ultraflora SB Dysbiosis and the Ultraflora Immune. And your body wants 2 chunky scoops of the C Ultra Scorb a day at the moment as well. But when you run out of that, going to pop you onto Meta Zinc and C, so we'll get some zinc in there as well. Oh, and a Brock shot daily. But anyway, I'll make that clear. Don't worry, I'll send you a message. Okay, cool. Hope that's clear as mud. Talk soon.